Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Good evening, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
Good evening, Krishna. All right. Multiplication of matrices. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. No doubts, right? Shekhani?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's do some questions on multiplication. Right. First question would be find AB if A is equals to 0 by 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 2, and B is equals to 3, 5, 0, 0. All right. Very easy question. You have to find AB.
Done, sir.
All right. What about everyone else? Anybody can tell me the answer? What will be the answer?
Sir, it will be 0, sir. All the elements will be 0.
All the elements will be 0, right? So how to multiply this row and this column, right? So 0 into 3 minus 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0 minus 1 into 0, 0. Again, this row, this column, 0 into 3, 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 2 into 0, 0. So this is a null matrix, right?
Yes.
All right. Next question. Shekhani, this is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. If A equals to 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, B equals to AB 1 minus 1, and A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square. Find A and B. Let's solve this one using this equation. You can solve. Is this question clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, I don't understand this question. Can you please do it?
All right. Everyone else, are you able to solve this or not?
No, sir. Can you help, sir?
All right. Let's start with LHS of the equation. All right. What is the LHS side? A plus B
A plus B the whole square.
whole square, right? So first we have to add these two matrices, then take square of that matrix, right? So 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 plus what is B matrix? A, B, 1 minus 1 and whole square of this whole matrix. Now when you add them, we will get 1 plus A and this is 0 and this is 2 plus B, this is minus 2 and square of this matrix, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now what does square mean? Square means multiply this matrix by itself. So let's do that. So 1 plus A, 0, 2 plus B, minus 2 multiplied by the same matrix. All right. Take this row, multiply with this column. So this is 1 plus A whole square and 0 into 2 plus B is same thing. Now take the same row and the second column. So 1 plus A into 0 is 0, 0 into minus 2 is 0. Now the second row and first column. So this is 1 plus A times 2 plus B plus minus 2 times 2 plus B. And in here 2 plus B into 0 is 0, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Is this thing clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. Shikani?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this we can write, this is 1 plus A square plus 2A, 0. And this is 2 plus AB plus 2A plus B. And minus 4 minus 2B and 4. Right? This is from, you can simplify further, but I don't think that there is any need. Now RHS. RHS says this is A square plus B square. What is A matrix? Can someone tell me?
1 minus 1, 2 minus 1.
All right. So let's try to find A square first. So this will be 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. All right. So 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. All right. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. 2 into 1, 2, minus 2, minus 2, plus 1. This is A square. So minus 1, 0, 0, and minus 1. Right? This is A square.
Sir, can you please show once more how you do the multiplication?
All right. Take this row and the first column. So 1 times 1 is 1. And we should have added plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Right? So plus minus is minus. So I wrote directly minus 2. Is this clear, Shigani?
Yes, that's clear.
Right. Now the same row, first row and second column. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. All right. Now for this element, take the second row and first column. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. All right. Now for the last element, take the same row, second row and second column. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. All right.
Yes.
So this is A square. Now, can anyone tell me what is B matrix?
A 1 B minus 1.
All right. So B square will be multiplication of the same matrix. So this is A times A square plus B. Now A minus 1, and this will be AB minus B, and this is B plus 1. Any doubts, Shekani?
No, sir.
No. All right. Now we can write the equation.
You have to do a square plus b square.
2a square plus b square. Is this right? 2a square plus b square here. What is on LHS? A square plus 2a plus 1, right? On the LHS side, we had a square plus 2a plus 1. And 0 and 4. In here we have 1 plus a, 2 plus b, minus 2 plus b. Forgot one number, I guess. Minus 2. All right. And this must be equals to, adding this to a square plus b square. So a square plus b square will be getting this plus this. So a square plus b minus 1. This plus 0. So a minus 1. This plus 0. ab minus b. This plus minus 1. So this is b only. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you can compare and get the answers.
Yes.
So we will get a square plus 2a plus 1 is equals to a square plus b minus 1. And from here, a minus 1 must be equal to 0. So a must be
A is
equal to
equal
1,
to 1.
right? And from here, b is equals to 4 we can get. And for the same, you can compare these two and you will get the answer. All right. Everyone, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this type of question will come. They will give you for 4 marks or 3 marks for this type of questions. All right. So each step you have to do very clearly. One mistake and the whole question is wrong, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And like if you commit the mistake early on, suppose I committed a mistake, suppose I wrote -2 here, then no matter how much correct I do rest of the questions, I'll get 0 marks. So please be focused when doing matrix questions. All right.
Yes.
Yeah, note it down. Note it down, everyone. Rishan, how are you? You are here with us, Rishan? Fine. Did you watch previous lectures? All right. Are you able to understand everything? No. Some you have bought. All right. So I have been informed this whole month you are going to be coming late. No. All right. Please watch previous lectures. All right. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand anything. In the last class, we did matrix multiplications. All right. Very important topic. All right. And from now on, please pay your attention. All right. So that you can get at least few things. And everyone, note it down.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next question. Let a equals to 2 minus 1, 3, 4. B equals to 5, 2, 7, 4. C equals to 2, 3, 5, 8. Find a matrix D such that CD minus AB must be equals to 0. And 0 here is null matrix, right? I've told you. Whenever we compare two matrices and somewhere there is 0, that is null matrix of the same order of AB and CD. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now let's solve this one.
Sir, can you confirm if the value of AB is 16, 26, and 3 and 9?
A, the value of A,
The value of AB.
AB of the previous question you were asking,
No, this question. Only AB, the value of AB.
or multiplication of AB you are asking.
Yes, yes. 16,
I
26,
don't
3 and 9.
16, 20, 16 and 9. I have to actually multiply. All right, I don't have the, I have only the final answer for this. All right, if we multiply here, we'll get 10 and minus 7. So this is,
So I got 10
oh,
plus 6.
how 6? See, here this is 7, right? So 2 into 5 and minus 1 into 7, right?
I did 2 into 5 plus 3 into 2.
I told you again, Shekhani was repeating the same mistakes, right? Take the first row and the first column. All right, first row and first column. Whichever matrix is written first, you have to take the row first. All right.
Oh, okay.
Is this clear, Shekhani?
Yes, I took for A, I took the
Column, right?
column.
Yeah, no, that is wrong. You have to take the row, and remember this arrow and this arrow. All right, remember like this arrow and this arrow. You have to go right and down,
Down. Okay.
right and down. All right.
Yes, yes.
All right, try to solve this.
Sir, division by matrix is allowed, sir, here.
No division of you want to solve by taking AB this side, then dividing by C.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I was also going to do that, but I don't know how to
No.
divide.
Yeah, no, you cannot. Matrix division is actually not possible. But what you can do here is assume the matrix D as some A, B, C, D. All right. Solve
Okay, sir.
with respect to this, then compare, find the value of A, B, C, D. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. solve this? Anyone?
So it comes in two variables. The answer.
No, you will get the value of A, B, and C, D individually.
Yes.
So are you solving, Krishna?
Yes, sir. I'm solving these. So, but
All right.
I'm getting until 3-digit numbers also. Is that in the answer, sir?
Let me check. Yeah, A and B are 3-digit numbers, and C and D are 2-digit numbers.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll give you a few more minutes. All right. And Hamza, what about you?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Yes, sir, doing good.
So can you do the answer? I got till almost last, but finding ABCD is still problem.
Right. Let me solve. The value of C, Krishna, C is wrong. Otherwise, no, A is also wrong. A and C is wrong. All right. B and D are right. Let me solve this. Right. So CD, we have to find CD first. 2, 5, 3, 8 multiplied by AB, CD. Right. Minus AB. 2 minus 1, 3, 4. And in here, this is 5, 2, 7, 4. And this is equals to 0. They are given you. All right. So multiplying this, Shikani, 2 times A, 2A, 5
2A.
times C, right? 5 and C. Now 2B plus 5D, 3A minus 8C. Is this mine? No, not minus C. This is C only. Let's see. And 3B plus 8D. Right? Shikani,
Yep.
this is clear?
Yes,
All
I
right.
got that.
And now this is 10 minus 7. And this is 4 minus 4. And this is 15 plus 28 and 6,
16.
16. Right. All right. So let's solve this further. So this will become, this is my 3. So if you subtract them, this will become 2A plus 5C minus 3. This will become 2B plus 5D and plus 0, right?
Yes,
And this is 3A plus 8C.
is equal
this
to
is
43. No, minus 43.
minus 43. And this is 3B plus 8D minus 22. And this is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. All right. Now you have 4 equations, 4 variables. You can solve them easily. You can write 2A plus 5C is equal to 3 from the first equation, and 2b plus 5d equals to 0. 3a plus 8c is equals to 43, and 3b plus 8d is equals to, this is 22. All right, this is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, is the value of C 77 and A negative 191?
Right, absolutely right. Okay, so you figured out your mistakes.
Yes, sir.
So from here we can find, from these two equations we can find A and C. How we can do that? Multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2, right? And if you subtract, you will get A and A is filled, and this will be 15C minus 16C will be minus C. 9 minus,
root 3a plus 8c. It should be 2a plus 8c. Right?
no, from this equation C. This is 3a plus, did I write it wrong?
Mm,
No, I guess this is right? So from here, this is equation, from here, this equation. All right. So A times A is cancelled. 3 times 5C is 15C. 2 times 8C is 16C. If you subtract, minus C. Now 9 minus 86 is 77 of negative. I think I also committed some mistakes. C is, we are getting 77, no, right? C is 77. Put that in any of the equations. Let's put this into this. 2a plus 5c is equal to 3. So 2a is equal to 3 minus 5 into 77. So a will be equal to 2 minus, this is 350, 385 upon 2. I guess some mistake I also did. This is 3. So 382 by 2, and this brings you minus 191. All right. Hamza, Shikani, Krishna.
sir, I did not
Yes, sir.
understand.
Shikani, you are not getting any of this?
No, I don't understand the last part.
Last part, all right.
Get that.
Till here, this is clear till here?
Yes, till there it's clear.
All right. So see, this equation is equal to 0, right?
Yes,
So I can write 2a plus 5c minus 3 is equal to 0, right?
yes,
And from here, this is also 0. So I can write 3a plus 8c minus 43 is equal to 0, right?
yes,
So let's take these two equations only. So what I can write? 2a plus 5c equals to 3. 3a plus 8c equals to 43. Is this clear?
yes, that's clear.
All right. Now this is class 10th question, solving two simultaneous equations. How we can solve this? Here I have to cancel out a. All right. So I can multiply this whole equation by 3 and this whole equation by 2. Remember this, Shikani?
Yes,
So multiplying this whole equation by 3, this equation becomes 6a plus 15c is equals to 9. And this whole equation becomes 6a plus 16c is equals to 86. Any doubts?
sir, how did you subtract?
Just multiply this whole equation by 3.
Oh, okay, the whole equation is okay.
All right. So 3 into 2a, 6a. 3 into 5c, 15c. 3 into 3, 9. Why multiplying by 3? Because 3 is the coefficient of the second equation a. All right.
Yes,
Why multiplied by 2? Because the first equation had the coefficient of 2. All right.
yes,
Now subtract these two equations. So 6a minus 6a is 0. 15c minus 16c is minus c. 9 minus 86 is minus 77. So C is equals to 77. All right.
Yes.
Now we have 2a plus 5c is equals to 3. So 2a is equals to 3 minus 5, and the value of c is 77. So 2a is equals to 3 minus, this is 385. So a is equals to minus 382 by 2, and this is minus 1191. All right.
Yeah.
So this is how you can get the value of a and c. Now you have two equations for b and d also, right? Two equations for b and d also. From here you can find the value of b and d also. Do you want me to solve this, or shall we move ahead?
No, I can move ahead. I understood.
All right. And rest of you is clear. Rishan, are you able to understand what we are doing, or absolutely not? I guess this will be a little bit difficult for you. Yeah, because you missed the previous classes. All right. See, this week, please get the lectures and watch all the lectures, solve all the questions I did in the class. All right. Then you will be able to catch up. All right. Next question. If A is equals to alpha 0, 1, 1, and B is equals to 1, 0, 5, 1, find the values of alpha for which A square is equals to B. All right. Everyone understood the question?
Yes, sir.
All right. Try to solve this one.
So I'm getting two values for alpha.
Two values for alpha.
I
Alright,
got
what are the
alpha
values?
is equal to 4.
Alpha equals to 4.
Sir, I'm getting 3 values for alpha, sir.
3 values for alpha. Alright, let's see. And the answer I have is no value for alpha. Alright. So let's see who is right. The question says LHS is A square. So A times A. Alpha 0, 1, 1. Alpha 0, 1, 1. Shikhani, how to solve this?
Alpha into alpha plus 0 into 1.
Look like so alpha square. Now
And then alpha into 0 plus 0 into 1.
this is 0. Now
1 into alpha plus 1 into 1, which is a alpha plus 1.
right.
And then 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1, which is 1,
Absolutely correct.
equals 1, 0, 5, 1.
All right. So we can compare alpha square is 1, alpha plus 1 is 5. All right.
Yes, that's the
From
value.
here we so no common value for alpha,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
right? Because one alpha should be able to satisfy all these equations, but we cannot put, if you put alpha is equal to 4, then this is very sad for this alpha square. And if you put alpha is equal to plus minus 1, then very sad for alpha plus 1.
So
In
what should we write
mathematics,
as the answer, sir?
you write alpha has no solution. All right, because in mathematics, you don't want to make anyone sad, right? Only the students, right? Shekani?
Yes.
So you will write no solutions for alpha such that a square is equal to b. Clear?
Yeah.
All right. Next question. Find the value of x such that 1x1 times 132 251 1532 1 2 x is equal to 0. All right. We have multiplied 3 matrices here, and the answer tends to be 0. And you have to tell me what is the value of x. Is this clear? Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, I'm not getting a definite value for x.
Anyone else?
I'm getting mixed values.
Sir,
Mixed value.
minus
Sir,
six.
is x irrational, sir?
Actually, I don't have the answer for this question. All right, I have to solve this one. Let's see. We can multiply these two, right? Then we can multiply by the third. So Shekani, help me to solve this.
Minus 1 into 1 plus
Right.
x into 2
All
plus
right.
1 into 15
All right.
and 1 into 3
Hmm.
plus x into 5 plus 1 into 3
All right.
and then 2 into 2 plus x into 1 plus 1 into 2.
Right. And for the here, the second row.
Then it comes second row.
There will be second row, right? No.
No.
No. Right. Because this is 1 into 3. And this is 3 into 3. So the resultant matrix will have 1 into 3 order. Right. 1 row and 3 column. Right. So this is all. Now 1 to x. This is equal to 0. Right. Now, Shekani, how to multiply?
2x plus 1 and that's 16 plus 2x.
Again,
1 plus 2x plus 15 is 16 plus 2x.
right?
And
So
then
see, first let's check. This is 1 into 3. Wait a minute. Give me a minute. All right. Are you guys able to see the OneNote?
yes, we are.
Yes, sir.
So here the order of this matrix is 1 by 3 and this is 3 by 1. So the resultant matrix will have 1 by 1 order. That means only one element, right?
Yes.
So this will be 1 plus 2x plus 15 plus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 into 5x is 10x plus 6. And this is plus 2x plus x square plus 2x, right? And this is equals to 0. All right. So now we can write this must be equal to 0 and this is x square plus 2 10 12 and 4 16x plus 1 15 16 22 28 is equal to 0. All right. So how we can get the value of x? Multiplying 28, adding 8, 16, sorry.
So 14 and 2, sir.
2, right, 14 and 2. So 14x plus 2x plus 28 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x plus 14 plus 2 common, x plus 14 is equal to 0. So x plus 14 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So either x can be minus 14 or x can be minus 2. Both the answers are correct. All right.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And why both the answers are correct? Because we only have one equation. So it can satisfy any value, right?
Yes.
All right. Who was getting irrational value? Is the mistake is clear?
Yes, sir. I did not get that 14 and 2, sir. So I did that minus b plus minus that way, and still I got the
All
same answer, sir.
All right. All right. All right. Then this is clear. Next question. Yes. K is equals to 1, 0, minus 1 and 7, and I is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. And I told you before also, whenever you see identity matrix, all right, in any equation, so assume an identity matrix of the same order, all right, even if they don't mention this is 2 by 2, then identity matrix will also be 2 by 2, all right.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Sir, what do you mean by identity matrix?
this one is identity. You are not there in the first class, right, Shekani? See, where we have many types of matrices. When the diagonal elements, these are called the diagonal elements, where the row and the column number is same, all right. The matrix which is of order 3 by 3 or 2 by 2 or like equal rows and column, all right, and only one as the diagonal elements is called identity matrix. Is this clear, Shikani?
Yeah.
All right, you can watch first class lecture video, all right, then you will be clear.
So from where can I watch the first class video?
You can ask Nishkar sir for the link, all right.
Ask who?
Nishkar sir, you know Nishkar sir?
No.
Who do you talk to from Learnivio?
I don't know. My dad does.
Okay, whoever your dad talks to is Nishkar sir, all right. If you text him, he will provide you with the details, all right.
Okay.
All right. Okay, this is identity matrix. Then find K so that E square is equals to 8A plus Ki. All right, solve this one.
So we should find K as a matrix, sir.
K here is a scalar, right? Because K times identity matrix. All right,
Okay.
K is a scalar here.
Sir, when multiplying 8 with A, we multiply 8 with every element, right?
Right. Multiply a scalar to a matrix, then it will be multiplied by all the elements of that matrix. Krishna, absolutely right answer. Hamza, are you solving this?
Almost done.
All right. I'll give you 2 more minutes.
Sir, I'll be back after 5 minutes, sir. I have something to do.
All right. K equals to 7. All right, let's see. Hamza, the answer should be K is equals to minus 7. All right, let's see. K square will be 1, 0, minus 1 and 7. 1, 0, minus 1 into 7. This is 1, this is 0, minus 1, minus 7, minus 8, 0, and 49. Right? This is right.
Yes, sir.
8A now. 8A will be 8, 0, minus 8, and 56. And Ki will be K 0, 0, K. All right. Equation is 1, 0, minus 8, 49 must be equals to this plus this. So 8, 0, minus 8, 56 plus K 0, 0, K. 1, 0, minus 8, 49. 8 plus K, 0, minus 8, K plus 56. So you can compare, it will get K plus 8 is equals to 1. That means K is equals to minus 7. And from this one, K plus 56 is equals to 49. So K is equals to 49 minus 56. Here also minus 7. So we can say K, the value of K here is minus 7. Clear? Hamza?
Yes, sir.
All right. You can check the mistake. See, if we had different values for K here, suppose this was minus 7, this was 8 or something, then we would say there is no value of K which satisfies this equation. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's solve one more question. If 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1 times A is equals to 1, 3, 2, 2, 5, 1, 15, 3, 2. Find A. All right. Solve this one. All right, let's do one thing. This is your homework question. All right, this is, you can solve this at home, but now you just have to tell me how to assume this matrix A.
So like A, B, C, D, F, it's elements, and then we multiply and equate the answers,
Okay.
equate the both sides.
But what would be the order? Will you take A, B, C, D like this, or A, B, C, D, E, F, or something, another matrix? How will you choose which matrix to represent?
So we should take no, sir, I don't know.
Don't know. Let's think about this. Hamza, what about you?
So I think it's 2 into 3, sir. We should take
2 into
the
3.
second.
Why 2 into 3?
So because it is the first one is 3 into 2 and the answer is 3 into 3, and we need same columns. So we take I mean same column and same row. So we take 2 into 3.
Absolutely right. All right. See how to decide which order to take. All right. See, they will give you this tricky questions also. All right. So you have to think about this. This matrix is of order 3 into 2, 3 by 2. And we have to multiply one matrix A, and the order we are getting is 3 by 3. All right. If two matrices are multiplied and the multiplication is defined, that means the column of the first matrix must be equal to the rows of the second matrix.
Yes, sir.
So this must be 2 into some k value.
Yes.
Now we know that the resultant matrix has this 3 by k order.
Yes, sir.
So k must be equal to 3 also, because the resultant matrix has 3 by 3 order. So you have to assume a matrix of 2 by 3 matrix, 2 rows and 3 columns. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, Hamza.
Yes, sir.
All right, Shekhani, are you back? No, I guess. All right, this is your homework question. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you know how to assume this matrix. Then solve accordingly and solve all the equations and tell me the answer in the next class. All right.
Okay, sir.
And have you guys started NCRT?
Yes, sir. I have started.
All right. Which exercise?
So I finished 3.1 and 3.2.
All right. And Hamza, what about you?
Yes, I finished 3.1, sir.
All right. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
No. All right. And you are completing the assignments also?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any doubts on the assignments?
No, sir. Not yet.
All right. So you are surely completing the assignments, right? It is
Yes,
very
sir.
important. All right. And see
So
you in the next class.
I have submitted the assignment, sir.
All right. All right. Check. I'll check. All right. Haven't checked yet. All right.
Okay,
No
sir.
worries. Yeah. See you in the next class then. All right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Take care.